This is the Snotbot. It's a drone with petri dishes glued to the top, and it flies right through whale blows to collect whale snot right here on Earth. And zoologists can use the Snotbot to retrieve all sorts of info on a whale's biology. And it turns out we can do something very similar for celestial bodies too. We've actually captured images of water geysers shooting out of Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, housing a subsurface ocean. And the Hubble Space Telescope has picked up some evidence of what could be similar geyser eruptions on Europa. The hope is that Clipper could fly through one of these plumes like the Snotbot and reveal their chemical composition using a mass spectrometer. Of its plumes, and we've even flown through them, we are almost 100% certain there's a subsurface ocean there. If we have these plumes on Enceladus and particles hitting Europa's surface give water and carbon dioxide molecules enough energy to form new compounds, like formaldehyde or hydrogen peroxide.
Crust seems to have collided and material has been shoved into the icy shell. So there may be ways for this fuel
touch down on the surface to confirm this.
There's an infrared spectrometer to look at the chemical fingerprints of light bounced off the surface to help identify and map out that's aboard the spacecraft. To look for plumes, are they there? And of course, then can we fly through them? And then at better than 100 meters per pixel resolution. So one camera to the surface, and that's called the wide angle camera. And then the other camera is the narrow angle camera. That's sufficient to go in there, scoop some stuff up from below the depth of radiation processing and put it into a mass spectrometer and see what we see.
The European Space Agency's JUICE mission, or the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, is already on its way to Jupiter. It will come to the system just 15 months after Clipper, and it'll even be doing a few flybys of Europa before settling into a tight orbit around Ganymede. So, scheduled to launch on October 10th, 2024, but NASA is waiting for Hurricane Milton to clear Florida before the spacecraft can take off safely. In the late 90s, NASA actually video called Arthur C. Clarke, and after showing him plans for a future mission to explore the faraway ocean world, Clarke finally gave NASA permission to land on Europa.